In this lesson for Microsoft Excel, we're going to talk about how to delete cells from a worksheet. So I'm going to start with the spreadsheet that I had open from the last video, where we talked about how to add cells to a worksheet. In this one, we're going to delete cells. So I'm going to click in cell P7. And this is going to make it the active cell. We know that because there's a green box around the cell. On the Home tab, in the Cells group, we're going to click the Delete button. But we're going to click the arrow underneath it. So we're going to click Delete Cells. It's going to ask us how to treat the rest of our spreadsheet. Are we going to shift cells to the left? We're going to shift cells up. Are we going to delete the entire row? Or are we going to delete the entire column? So in this delete dialog box, we're going to select shift cells left. If you notice, let's see what happens when we do this. Click OK. And you're going to notice that our number 600 that was hanging out here to the side, it gets pushed over into that cell that is no longer there because we deleted the cell. So the cell to the right of it has to go somewhere. So it just kind of moves it over. So let's highlight the range A8 to P8. So A8, which is Casca, over to P8. And we're going to right click the selection. So this time we're going to right click. And if you notice, this row is the same as the row on the bottom. So we're going to get rid of this. So we're going to select delete. And our delete dialog box is going to pop up again. We're going to shift cells up. Click OK. And now our last row is now in A8 over to P8. All right, highlight the range D3 to D8. D3 to D8. And on the Home tab, in the Cells group, click the Delete button, arrow, so the arrow below it. And we're going to delete cells. Let's shift cells to the left. Click OK. And then press Control Home. It's going to take us to A1. And so that's how you delete cells from your worksheet.